Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of f and s. So because we have f and s, so we need to do the power number 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u du. This one we have 1 over s, and we can put like this. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to the square root of it. And now we put this value gone here to find the value of u. And we have u equals to the square root of number 2 over 2. When s equals to e to the power of 3 over number 4. So we put this one gone here to find the value of u. So u equals to the square root of number 3 over number 2. And now this one we change by this one. This one we change by this one. This one, the square root of f and s, we change by u. This one we change by this one. The s over s we change by 2u du. Now 2u divided by 2u. Next, the integration of this one, we have arc side of u. And we put the bounds from the square root of number 2 over 2 to the square root of number 3 over 2. And now we have the final answer. So we calculate this one. And we have b over 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.